Yeah, as usual. 3 years in CSI. Started off as a junior PRO, then the secretary, and now the managing committee. I think I'm at my nervous best today because this is the first time I'm appearing on stage for CSI. Yeah, one second, brother. Firstly, I'd like to start off by thanking CSI for everything that it has given me. Of course, not time, but everything else. You guys showed great enthusiasm throughout the year, and you guys have made what CSI is this year. So thank you very much. Then we go to the TE Council. Oh no. Then we go to the TE Council. You guys always not the council. I'm sorry, the team members that are over here. You guys always want to be in the finals of every event. That is the showcase of true love for CSI. So thank you very much, and I hope the SEs do the same next year. My class is enjoying in Nainital, which is really sad. Now I'd like to express my gratitude to the ex-Bs who are present over here. Ex-Bs. Familiar face in Akshay here. What do I love you? Do I hate you? He was the reason for the worst day of my CSI career. He made me the secretary. A lot of people tell me I owe him a lot. I just tell you I owe you just money. That's it. Nothing else. Then there is Paresh behind. Parihu ma'am, you are one of the best people CSI has, and thank you just for being there for me always. Yeah, now I'd like to introduce the MCs. Now this is the fun part. Because till last year we were just informals every single day of our lives. So the MCs decided, no, let's have a hip councils. So it's really important to have 3 Rahuls. So Rahul naam to sunai hoga, acha impact deta hai. So the 4 council members of MC were Rahul Shroff, Rahul Ravindran, Rahul Shah and Rohan Tondulkar. You guys have done a splendid job. Now I'll concentrate my focus only to Rohan Tondulkar. And also, one more thing I just saw here. At the start, we were the MCs and we were filled with pride. You know, we are the managing committee of CSI West. This is a big honor and stuff. And suddenly after 1 or 2 months we realized, अरे यार JC हम लोग गाली देते हैं मुँह पे, सारे MCs वापस कम दे रहे हैं. The MC tag is really annoying, but it's been a great pleasure. Now concentrating on one member, Rohan Tondulkar. He was the senior tech last year. He couldn't make it in the council the second year, but he was senior tech last year and managing committee this year. A whole different arena from tech to managing. And he was one person, you know, we tell him to be against any other society, he'd be like, yes, bring it on man, bring it on. I mean, it's really important for CSI to have someone like that. We don't need anything, we just tell, अरे रोहन ये permission क्या है? नहीं ना, मराठी माणूस म्हणतो मी, तू काय ना म्हणणार? Yeah, he was the most fearful one among us. I and Shroff and all like, नहीं होगा चलेगा. अरे कैसे नहीं होगा चलेगा? I am there, I'll do it. So that was the way he was. And whenever I saw him, I relate him to Gerard Butler of 300. So instead of this is squad, he'd be like, this is CSI people. So he was brilliant. And we nicknamed him as the Hulk of CSI. And a small video for that. And before I go off stage, I'd just like to sign off as the managing committee, MC of CSI Western. Please give a video and wrap up that. Thank you so much.
हम ऐसा इवेंट करेंगे जो वेसेट में कभी किसी ने देखा नहीं होगा.
शाह देखना यार, श्रॉफ क्या पकार है, इस बार भी परमिशन मेरे को ही लाना पड़ेगा.
कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम रहेगा शाह को लेके जाओ.
शाह तू ही मेरा दोस्त है.
कौस्तुभ इवेंट के लिए तो आता नहीं है. 5th फ्लोर पे जेसी है, जा स्पॉन्सर ड्राइव के लिए लेके जा. और तोंडू स्मैश.
Hello everyone. Thank you Shah. It's really difficult to give a speech after brilliant speech by Rahul Shah. We had planned to keep Shah for the last ताकि लोग रुके कि शाह का स्पीच है तो रुकते हैं. And अभी पता है हम लोग को कोई भाव नहीं देने वाले, but still So first is my class D17 B, who is presently in Manali, not Nainital shop. So focus on CSI doesn't know where his class is going for B trip. Okay, thank you guys, and especially my group there is SWOT. SWOT was the first time I got introduced to anything new apart from my class. There is one person from SWOT, Salil Kanetkar. I hope everyone knows him here. Where is Salil? Anyone who doesn't know him, he is amongst the best guys I have ever met in the city. Okay, yeah. Moving on to my council. Okay. अभी थोड़ा मारूंगा तो seriously मत लेना. So I would like to start with Karan Patel. I would like to hear a huge cheer for Karan Patel. Okay, there is one thing you guys must have not known. We have to submit our same reports and all. So this guy had made Kannada sir a 200 MB report. And Kannada was so shocked, he was downloading and for 5 minutes it didn't download. So he asked, sir, इसने बोला, sir वो rich text format में भेजा है. And he has the achievements to take permission for most events on the day of the event. So that's an improvement. Oh, sorry. So last year तक 2-3 पहले permission होता था. This time, from this time, Karan is doing the permission on the day itself. So next on the list is Kavin Desai. Bro, you're very hardworking, but honestly speaking, he's really bad at driving. I guess whole detail we agree with me. Every time we have sit in his car, it's been a horrifying experience. Okay, the next on the list is Harsha Sablani. There's nothing much bad to say. You have been immense for CSI, you have been immense. I don't know what CSI would have been without you. Thanks a lot, Harsha. Next one is an interesting person, Kaustubh Deshpande. Okay, we expected him to miss even the symposium, but guys, honestly, he has missed so many events that even the council members consider him the participant at most of the events. And CSI council has an ID card just to differentiate Kaustubh from the participants. And there was one incident when we asked Kaustubh to name 5 CSI events, and he still included Treasure in it. Omkar Patil. He is the genius in coding, but once we found his list of things to do for the day, and he had an agenda. The first, there was only these things on his list: wake up, write code, hit on girls, and that's it. And believe me, guys, not many people know this aspect of Omkar Patil. Okay, next on the list is Pratik Shetty. Where's Pratik Shetty? Okay, guys, this guy is completely addicted to Lamington Road. Once his mom asked him to bring sugar and he still went to Lamington. Okay, Subhra Ghosh. Where is Subhra? Okay. Okay guys, there is one thing about Subhra Ghosh is he is even less responsive than Internet Explorer. It's been immense, the video was great, but still. Okay, and now moving into the managing committee. We were all three always under the limelight of Rahul Shah, for obvious reasons. But it was great, everyone was great, and yeah, there were 2 other persons, one was Rahul Ravindran. So, but where he is, and he's been so funny, and ever since he was rejected in CS in second year, he has taken that on his mind, and throughout the second year he just coded and grew fat. So, and he's so funny, we actually now call him the Tanmay Bhatt of CSI. And the last but not the least, the most low profile MC in CSI, I say, Rahul Shroff. This huge round of applause for Rahul Shroff. That is how I used money. He has been brilliant. He keeps a low profile, but his work is immense. CSI could have been nothing without him. So that's it. I would like Rahul Shroff to take over the stage. So for one last time, signing off, Rohan Ravindra Tondulkar from the managing committee of CSI. Thank you everyone.
Okay, first of all, I'm not going to ask for membership money here. Okay, chill. Okay, that's the price you pay when you harass your juniors for 2 years for sponsorship drive. So that's fine. So great work by JC and Avatar and everywhere. Great work. Coming to my senior council, special mention to Paras Prashant. I think so again, yeah, second year rejects from CSI. I think so that always works for us. Great. So great, very hard-working people. I think so we should have got them. We would have got a better JC last year. It's fine. So some more mentions to Pratik, Gangal, Sai, Harsh. I'm forgetting few people, but I'm sorry for that. It's totally fine. So moving to my top 3.5. Top 4. Sorry, Harsh. Sorry. Starting with you only. I think at times she has been more dominating than the MCs, giving us the feeling that we are her juniors. So yeah, coming to Kaustubh, I think so Kaustubh has been roasted very badly today. Don't worry, I'm not going to wish you, it's fine. I'm a treasurer, so I understand your pain. That's totally alright. So coming next to Patel, the secretary, and honestly the successor of Shah in true sense. No, honestly, it's fine. You are the best decision that CSI made. Seriously, you are the best decision. Rahul Ravindran was enjoying in Manali. Okay, he has been a great support to CSI and everyone. Coming to again Rohan Tonelkar, I think so much said about him. That would be, I think so anything for him would be an understatement from my side. Rahul Shah, I think so the cheer for himself was an explanation that how popular he is in college. Don't shy please, you are Shah, not shy. Yeah, thanks a lot Paresh, you're sitting back there. Yeah, it's coming here. Keep calm. 2 minutes. Okay, so I am being sorry. I forgot the executive committee, but that's only intentional. Just kidding, you guys worked last time. There is nothing to say much now. So I'll move on to, okay Shah, you're feeling happy you didn't get roasted here. So the next person here is, I think I shouldn't say anything, the meme should do for himself. Just to the last words, this is Rahul Shroff signing off as the managing committee of CSI. Thanks a lot guys.